How you doing? My name is Robert Davis. I work for GST Manufacturing and I'm one of the sales managers here. What I'd like to do is take a couple minutes to describe our facility to you so you get an idea of what GST Manufacturing is about. We've been around since 1933 under our current ownerships for about the last 21 years. We're currently located in Haltom City. We're at 175,000 square feet under roof for manufacturing facilities, located on about 11 acres for our main yard. Our company handles everything from rail to retail to cinema. We do a lot of precision sheet metal, and we also have a large construction division. My responsibilities, generally speaking, are in the technology and the rail sectors. So I do a lot of heavy weldments, and along with regular precision sheet metal, and some technology products for different companies around this country. Hi, it's Robert again. We're standing outside right now in one of our facilities on Clay Street, which handles our stainless steel and aluminum welding for one of our rail contracts. You'll notice behind me, these are large aluminum weldments, which we fabricate here in this facility, and custom crating goes with it so that we can transport this across the country and keep it in a safe condition for arrival. Here we're in one of our work cells that manufactures this stainless steel underbody frame. We've been manufacturing this for about 1.5 years and have a contract to continue to manufacture these frames for about the next 2 years. These are fully fabricated here in this facility, welded up, and then go through a thorough inspection with our CWIs for all of the work instructions that have been laid down for this product, and which then it is fully passivated by our facility in Janata, where we'll put it through an ASTM 967 passivation, and at that point it is crated up and sent to our customer for installation.
My name is Tom McGough. I'm Director of Retail Sales for GST Retail. I handle all the products. I kind of am the guy in the background that drives all the people that are associated with putting things together at GST Retail. Trini does the design. We kind of put things together in a practicality look, engineerically sized. Maybe what I mean by that is we look at practicality, some of the units that come out and what goes on with them. We discuss, we develop a product, and then we approach our customers with our ideas. One of the things that we do quite well, one of the things that I hope we taught a lot of our people internally was we listen. We listen to what the customer wants, and we try to bring that product to you.
We're out here at GST Retail looking at some of the products that we make. Some of what you look here is a job we're doing where we're developing some product for their candy, which is called Shelby Sugar Shop. You have soda displays sitting here, custom units. We have these in the field. They look nice. They display well. Also do some storage cabinets and other stuff like that are for, I guess, what you would call a cash wrap, where they take the money, understand what's going on. Same issue there. We do a solid surface top. It's a custom white color that they like for their units. Exciting project for GST. If you're looking for this type of business, we'd love for you guys to come along.
My name is Sam Kerbel. I'm the Senior VP of Sales at GST Manufacturing Limited and GST Cinema. As part of me being hired at GST 21 years ago, I was fortunate enough to bring some of that work with me to GST Manufacturing, including projection windows that we build for many of the large format customers like Cinemark, IMAX, AMC, Regal Theaters, Edwards Theaters, Century Theaters, and really all of the large format customers. We have been designing custom sizes for many of the new builds for these customers and others, and we're very proud that we are the #1 fabricator in the United States of projection ports. We also build speaker brackets that house JBL speakers and others. And this is a large part of what we do for cinema, along with food service equipment for concessions, et cetera. Very proud that we are the largest supplier to customers like Cinemark, Moving Image Technologies, and others. All right, so these are projection windows that we're putting together for IMAX Corporation. These are for their laser projectors. This is just one style of two that we build for them. The other style that we build for them is for their special new laser projectors that they came out with in 2000. And we are building worldwide for IMAX. As you can see, we are overseas crating these projection ports that will go actually to Canada to start with, going to IMAX. We ship these overseas crated projection windows to go worldwide. So we're shipping to India, shipping to Dubai, Qatar, and all other destinations where cinema is growing. GST Manufacturing also manufactures speaker brackets for customers like Cinemark and AMC. The main customer that uses the speaker brackets is JBL Harman, and of course that company is known all over the world, and we're lucky enough to be building for their 9350 and 9300 speakers that go into all of the large format theaters for Cinemark and Regal, AMC, and others.
This is Ty with GST for another episode of The Daily Grind Behind the Desk. Today, I want to talk to you about GST Construction. GST Construction is a Division 5 metals subcontractor. We do structural steel, miscellaneous steel, ornamental and decorative steel, pretty much anything that's made of metal and goes on a construction site, we do fabrication and erection. You'll see us on big projects such as DFW Airport and American Airlines headquarters. You'll see us at schools, institutions, commercial buildings. We're pretty much all over the region, both fabricating and installing what we build. Today I want to talk to you about a really cool project that we just wrapped up for the city of Fort Worth. This is known as the Longhorn Project, and you'll actually see it as you drive away from downtown on Hemphill Street. This is a series of actual longhorns that span a length of road before and under an overpass on Hemphill Street, and these horns light up at night in different colors. For any project that you may need out of structural steel, out of ornamental metals, out of miscellaneous metals, anything at all, look for GST Construction. GSTcon.com is our website. You'll find us on any social media platforms.
My name is Jason Evertson. I work for GST Manufacturing in the construction division. This project we did for the city of Fort Worth. It's their art district, and the part of the product that we provided was a steel support structure that supports these lighted longhorns. We've got a crew down there right now finishing up the last bit of the project. We should finish tomorrow, and then they will complete the installation of the acrylic longhorns, and then the project will be complete at that point. So it all started by this project was in the works for several years, and we started out here on site about 3 or 4 months ago, and anyway, this is where we're at. We're in the final stages. These longhorns that you see actually light up. They light up to a specific pattern that's random. You ought to be able to see everything in full swing next week sometime. So we're completing the installation of the support tubes. They will span across that bridge, go all the way down, and they turn up at the opposite end of the bridge. And then the lighted acrylic longhorns will continue through this section right here, and on the other end, through the other end of the bridge.